Okay, I'm going to show you how I quickly take an 8x10 canvas, stretched canvas, from that we were working on a composition. This is a Van Gogh inspired piece. I just tell the students find their inspiration, find an artist that inspires them, and then use that as a basis for an art piece that you will create. And what I like to do is I'll just drill it in the wood that's already in the canvas, artist canvas frame in the back. Put a dowel, and I just happen to have these cute little dowels, but you could buy a dowel from Home Depot if you want to, and get it done that way. So that's one. This one I'm not sure of the artist's inspiration, but it has something to do with symmetry and contrast, night versus day, but it also has something to do with train tracks because he loves trains. He's always talked about trains and how, I think his grandfather might have been somebody who worked on the railroads. So, yeah, and it even says Night and Day is his title. Punch a dowel in there. This dowel is about 3 inches. 3 inches long, and it's about 1/8 of an inch, maybe 3/16 of an inch wide. So I told the students I want a topic that could be identifiable as you, something that people would think of you as, or whatever, how you want people to perceive you. So this girl wants to be perceived as sweet. Yeah, easy dowel to put in. There you go. Easy stand. This looks like a fun piece. It's like a lonely piece. In the night, by yourself, watching the skyline. That could be fun. There you go. And thank you for watching.